more time. Mom is getting crazy. Daughter has got marshmallows. And these guys are patiently waiting for their treat. And Dad is waiting for one too. Good afternoon. Gosh, thanks for joining us. This is the Flying Fletcher channel. We are at Brown Camp in Bishop, California. And this is just an overnight stay. And what is so cool, it's the first time that we have ever been here. It's nice and green, got some nice big trees, a level site. That's right, level site. And I didn't have to do much at all to get my trailer all leveled up. Not a big deal. And we got Don and Dean coming pretty soon. They'll be joining us for the evening. Then we're gonna take off to Silver Lake RV Resort up in Mammoth. So we're maybe another little view of the campsite. Hi! Where are you guys going? I just love this little suction here with the rocks. Whoa! Come here, Cooper! Cooper swimming. Come on! Come on, Cooper! All right, so we made it down the hill. A little scratched up, but we're alive, no broken bones, not in the hospital either, honey. So now we're at the Mammoth Brewing Company paddleboard. Yay! Gonna have
what do you have
beer
to say
and
about
something to
this
eat,
trip?
our burger. Stay.
Well,
Yeah,
I just gotta put my card in and I'm ready.
yeah, we're here with Fraley's
the Flying Fletchers YouTube channel. If you like what you're seeing, you know the routine. Subscribe and just send lots of money. Yeah, we know it doesn't work that way. Just joking. We hope that you enjoy our filming. We're at Gull Lake right now. Just jumped off. A little cold, a little shivering, a little I don't know what, but hey, this has been cool. We've still got a couple more days to go and maybe some hiking coming up. Anyway, take care guys, and check out the Flying Fletchers YouTube channel. This is Gull Lake, June Lake area. Take care. For my leap of faith here, I don't know how this is going to be able to be recorded.
You want me to hold that for you?
A
lot safer.
Well, I've got it. All right, here we go. Don and Dean, I don't know if you got a camera. Okay, I'm ready. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Woo! Hard to swim with those damn shoes on. I did it. Hey.
Hey, Cooper, he's back.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
That looked like it was an e-bike.
Got away. And Cooper wants to eat ducks for dinner.